flood began its rapture with a roar that bent the pines. Children clasped their parents while the church bells lost their chimes. Rescuers moved upward through the rising frantic sweep. Each step a whispered gamble in a surge that cut too deep. And Christmas in the township turned to trembling in the rain. Ashmead felt the season crack beneath the growing strain. Voices calling skyward, hope the storm would finally cease. But the river wrote its message with no promise of release. Across the broken fences came the remnants of the year. Letters from the summer, bits of laughter, hints of fear. Neighbors leaned together as the porch began to shake, holding tight to anything the flood had yet to take. A lantern from the hillside cast a wan and fading glow, guiding those still climbing through the wild, relentless flow. Above them rose the ridge line where the night refused to part, and every soul in Ashmead felt the tremor in its heart. And Christmas in the township turned to trembling in the rain. Ashmead felt the season crack beneath the growing strain. Voices calling skyward, hope the storm would finally cease. But the river wrote its message with no promise of release. When morning found the valley, it was quiet once again. But the marks upon the rafters told the story of the rain. Ashmead held its wounded in the cold December air. A season meant for comfort left a shadow